Alright, what is up, YouTube? So recently I sold my Accord, my free Accord. Pretty much, I had it on Marketplace looking for trades, and I was like, you know what, I'll just sell it and save the money so I could put it into my Civic here. And I had some videos made, but pretty much I got new wheels on the Civic recently. I got some slips out of the junkyard, touched them up, and traded them for these here. These are 15x8, I think +0. That's why they poke so much. But yeah, I got a hood bra on here. Eyelids, tinted this one yellow. I got a new steering wheel. I cleaned the car up a little bit on the inside, and then since I sold the Accord, I started back driving it daily again. Which, I mean, it technically still is. I just don't drive it as much as the Accord. But yeah. Oh yeah, and then another thing, my hood here, I got a hood bra. My girlfriend bought it for me for Christmas. Cobra? Damn, I forgot. Cobra Auto Accessories. So she got me this diamond stitch hood bra. And my hood, I got a replacement hood for it, because my hood, I mean, you see it's got some cracks in the paint and whatnot. It's got a crease here. It's got a couple of creases up under here, and it's like bent up. So this is after I flattened it out by slamming my knee into it. So here is the new hood. Well, new. I got it from a pull apart. But this is the hood I got. It still got damage in the same area, but not as bad. So I started off on kind of sanding it smooth, just to make it smooth, because eventually the Civic's gonna get wrapped. So yeah, eventually the Civic's gonna get wrapped. So I wanted to just make it smooth for that. But I'm not running it on the car because I do not want a bunch of mix match panels. I'm thugging it out with the black bumper and lip. So yeah, I don't wanna do too much crazy. I still gotta replace this guy because this pisses me off. It broke off on the highway one day. I was on my way home for lunch, and it just went and died. So yeah. See, I don't even remember if I had these 50/50 tails the last time I made a video with the Civic. But yeah, we got those two. I'm pretty sure I had the headlights, but I don't think I had the tails. Now we're moving to the engine bay. I fixed my hood latch for one, that was broken. Moving up under the hood. Got our shitty engine, shitty single jungle. So as you can see, there's a good bit missing. I think in the video with the Accord, I mentioned that I was putting in manual steering rack, so all the power steering components are gone. The washer fluid reservoir is gone. That was one of the first things I took out, because I never use sprayers on cars at all. I just have no use for them. But as you see, I also don't have my AC stuff anymore. So I ended up ripping out all my AC because it didn't work anyways. I did leave the wires. Where are they? I left all the wires. I just zip tied them up just in case or if I ever sell the car anytime soon, they can put put it back in and whatnot. But so, like everything I've unplugged, I haven't clipped any wires or anything. I just kind of tied them up out of the way, so they're not just hanging and dangling and whatnot. But yeah, that's pretty much all I've done to the Civic so far. Haven't done much, so we've just been trying to clean it up and keep it running. I finally got me a secondary O2 sensor because I keep I'm throwing a code for that, and so I got me a secondary. I just ain't put it on because it's been cold out. But yeah, vacuumed the whole inside, not at all. So, but yeah. And this is pretty much just a little quick update on what's going on with this guy. So yeah, just coming together. I got new torque mounts on the way. These guys up front because they are blown, so the motor just goes. And I need to do with the motor mounts, trans mount. I need to do all the mounts because I let off the gas and the shifter jumps forward like a whole foot and rocks back and all that. So I need to do that. I wanted to get those DC Sport one-piece headers just because this gasket here is completely blown out. So I have an exhaust leak coming from up here, and then I need to, once I replace the header, I need to replace the rest of the system because the flange that's like right here is bent like that from when I had the car much lower, and it's blown out. So it's just exhaust leaks all over the place. Car sounds like a tractor, a lawnmower, and a 3 a.m. Honda all at the same time. So I can't stand it. Then I also want to repaint this valve cover and replace the fucking hardware because why the hell are we using these? But yeah, that's just a quick overview of what the car is looking like now, since I ain't make a video about it in a while, and I keep going through cars like crazy. But so yeah, it's just a quick little update on the Civic, and yeah, I will catch y'all later. My phone's finna die.